If you have Pro Tools, I created a recording template for the dedicated artist that's recording music from their home studio. My template is designed customly, specifically, and only for the dedicated artist who's recording from their home studio. Yo, what's up, artists? If you don't know me, you should. My name is Johnny, and I want to be your personal engineer. So right now, I'm going to give you guys an inside scoop of what my template looks like and how you could use it. So I had a couple of the homies over last night. Actually, they're my cousins, but hey, they're the homies too. So we hopped on the beat and we recorded using this template. I'm going to show you guys the video of the clips of last night. It's really going to highlight how easy it can be, how quick it can be. As long as you do your thing as an artist, you should be able to utilize this template to record quality music from your home. So we found the beat, we downloaded it off YouTube. It's all good, it's all good. Threw it in Pro Tools, gotta have Pro Tools. Got the grab and go template loaded up. We threw the beat in there, found the tempo, and then we just get to creating. You ready? Let's check it out. Hold on, right quick. Before we go on with the video, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. If y'all could bless me with a like and with a subscribe, if you guys want to hit those buttons right there, it would really mean a lot to me. Shit, let's keep going with the video. Hot fashion smokers on greenhouse, but it's mulch. Pulling up, she gon' throw me. Pulling up, she gon' throw me. Hush, hush, you might fuck my mood up. Score a bit, then I alley-oop. But we might make a movie, call me Bradley Cooper. One and only, no one time. Hot fashion smokers on greenhouse, but it's mulch. Pulling up, she gon' throw me. Pulling up, she gon' throw me. I'm sticking on. Hush, hush, you might fuck my mood up. Score a bit, then I alley-oop. Hush, hush, you might fuck my mood up. Score a bitch, then I alley-oop. Hush, hush, you might fuck my mood up. Hush, 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 you might fuck my mood up. Score a bitch, then I alley-oop. Nah, my more control. Alley-oop. Yeah. Hush, hush, you might fuck my mood up. Score a bitch, then I alley-oop. That's 2 bars, man. Come on. We make a movie on Bradley Cooper. When she on her knee, no hat. Alright, I gotta say the whole thing. We might make a movie, call me Bradley Cooper. We might make a movie. I gotta wait. Fuck. Make a movie, call me Bradley Cooper. When I on her knee, no hallelujah. Oh yeah. When I on her knee, when she on. We might make a movie, Bradley Cooper. When she on your knee, hat. Fuck. We might make a movie, Bradley Cooper. When she on her knee, no hallelujah. Oh, that was weak. Yeah. We might make a movie, Bradley Cooper. We might make a movie. Yeah. We might make a movie, Bradley Cooper. When she on her knee, no hallelujah. Perfect. Thanks, brother. Oh, that. No.
I'm gonna open it right there. I'm like, hey, bro. Oh, yeah, you got like the Auburn.
Yeah, that's good. I don't want to eat fat myself, but like I'm also gonna be a little more.
My shaded at Oakley. Ain't no water with no Opie. She took a snap with a girl. Told the bitch don't promote me. One time for the old me. One time for the old me. the homie. One time for the homie. High fashion smokers on. Greenhouse, but it's mochi. Pulling up, she gon' throw me. Pulling up, she gon' throw me. Hush, hush, you might fuck my mood up. Score a bitch, then I alley-oop. We might make a movie bad. She on her knee, no hallelujah.
I thought you was a rapper.
High fashion smokers only. Greenhouse, but it's mochi. Pulling up, she gon' throw me. Pulling up, she gon' throw me. Hush, hush, you might fuck my mood up. Score a bitch, then I alley-oop. We might make a movie Bradley Cooper. When she on her knee, no hallelujah. So like I said, we got Pro Tools, we got the grab and go template loaded up, we got one of these guys, which is basically, I think it's like a $200 microphone. We have a much better microphone in the booth, but again, this is not that. If you like booths, come to the studio, but if you're recording from home, you don't need that. Grab a nice little microphone, grab one of these Chaotica eyeball housings, or you can make your own. If you can, grab something like this. If not, it's all good. You're also gonna need an interface. I'm not gonna lie to you, I do have an M2 that I use, but right now, because we are in the lab, I'm gonna use the Apollo. I've been using the Apollo, but if you can't, if you don't have something like that, you could use any interface. I would say the Focusrite is cool, but honestly, I don't really fuck with it. I'm just the kind of person that, like, everybody fucks with it. I don't want to, even if it's good or whatever. Like, there's a lot of options or alternatives. So I got the Mode 2 M2. Let's go. But it doesn't matter. Just pick an interface, pick a mic, and pick a beat, and then we just get to creating. All right. So in that video, you guys just saw a very, very natural environment. It's me and my boys, my cousins. We've known each other for hella long, like shit, not our whole lives, but damn near. My dog Cheese, you probably heard his, crinkling his bell. I turned off the audio because I didn't want to get canceled quite yet, so I had to mute that. It's some not very appropriate stuff, but hey, man. We out here. It was a very raw, kind of quick, kind of flowy. When we get in that vibe, it's just kind of like, all right, next. You do a little quick things here and there. So there's a lot that can be done with this template. It wasn't very, very hands-on. If y'all want to see a very, very hands-on video, let me know. It was really just a raw, natural environment. A little touch of how quick of a natural vibe. Because hey, you might have a lot going on in the house. You might have family members there. You might not, have the big creative space where you can cut out everything completely. If you do have these distractions, if you do have these people that come over, or if you can't always have that peace and quiet, sometimes it's very, very nice to have that that recording session where it's super mellow. It's just you and the vibe, and you create it. But let's be honest, sometimes there's a lot going on, and as an artist, it's your job to create. So you got to create no matter the conditions. And again, that was just a very raw, natural environment. The dog was out there, he was running around, and we was chit-chatting, we was talking, we had people here. So throughout all that, we were able to set up the mic, we were able to set up the Pro Tools, and download the template, drop the beat in there. Again, super quick, super easy. And as soon as you start recording and get into that vibe of things, and it's really just you as an artist to have fun with it. And I'm trying to make it as easy as possible for you guys just to create, to keep working, to keep enjoying what you do, but to elevate and progress as you do it, because practice makes perfect. But really it's because you're getting better at it. It's not that it's not as hard, you're just getting better at it. So shout out you guys. If you guys are dedicated artists that want to get better at recording, and you just want to get better at music in general with having fun with it, and you just want to elevate as you go, as you continue to work, this is a tool that's really going to help you. If you guys want this template, let me know. If you guys want a further video on how really to utilize this template, let me know, and we can make that happen. So I appreciate y'all. Let's go.